The Citizen Promaster line has been around for over 35 years, and during that time it has established itself as a series of professional-grade dive watches that are all about function over flash. This new Promaster reference BN1024 is an evolution over the BN0150, a watch that established itself as a solid tool for recreational divers. But now, Citizen have pushed it into professional territory. The new watch is bigger, more robust, and rated for deeper dives. The addition of a helium escape valve lets us know that they were really on a mission to create a watch that could even be used by saturation divers. Besides the HEV, one of the standout upgrades to this latest Promaster model is the crystal. Previous references used mineral glass, but this one gets a 4mm thick sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. And that's a big deal if you're actually using this watch in the rough conditions that it was intended for, as sapphire is far more scratch resistant and durable. A noteworthy change has also been made to the bezel. It's all stainless steel, including the printed insert. Although this might seem like a step down from ceramic, or an odd departure from the classic aluminium, there's functional logic to it. Stainless steel is far more corrosion resistant than aluminium, especially in saltwater environments. It's also less brittle than ceramic, which can shatter when subjected to a strong enough impact. All markings are engraved into the steel surface. The minute markers are recessed at an angle, making it easier to differentiate and read the elapsed time at a glance. Inside, you've got Citizen's EcoDrive E365 movement. It's solar-powered and holds a charge for a full year, which is a serious upgrade in terms of power reserve. The case is made of stainless steel and measures 46mm in diameter. At 16mm thick, it's relatively chunky for a time-only quartz watch. It tips the scales at a hefty 161 grams, but that's to be expected for a watch of this size, made of steel, and especially one rated to 300 meters of water resistance. Wearing it, you certainly feel its size and heft. It's not subtle, but it's also not trying to be. The helium escape valve is there for saturation diving, though if we're being honest, most of us won't need it. Still, it's a sign of the watch's professional-grade intentions. The gradient dial fades from gray at 12 o'clock down to black at 6. A red version of the watch is also available, reference BN1024-01Z, but the black feels more traditionally appropriate for a functional tool watch suitable for professional use. Its hands and indices have received a generous helping of lume as you'd expect. Interestingly, Citizen skipped the orange minute hand that older models had featured, a small yet noticeable change. The strap is made from benebiol, a hydrolysis-resistant material designed to handle water, sweat, and general wear without breaking down. It's extremely comfortable and feels durable without being overly stiff. Style-wise, it's very much a tool watch. There's no polished surfaces or decorative flourishes, just clean, functional design. It's the kind of watch that looks right at home in the water over a wetsuit sleeve. Now, a couple of things to consider. First, the size. At 46mm, it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. So if you've got smaller wrists or prefer something a little bit more understated, this Promaster may not be for you. Second, the price. At €499, it's more than double the cost of its predecessor, the BN0150-10E. You're getting better materials and specs, sure, but the jump is still one worth noting. If you're not planning on taking advantage of the 300-meter water resistance rating or the helium escape valve, the older model might still serve you well. All in all, the new Promaster BN1024 is a solid upgrade for those who need or just appreciate a more rugged, professional-grade diver. It's not flashy, but it's thoughtfully designed and built to last. At €499, it's not cheap for an EcoDrive watch, but considering the materials and features, it offers fair value. Just make sure its size and specs align with your actual needs. If you've worn the BN1024 or its predecessor, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the upgrades justify the price increase? Be sure to comment your thoughts below, and remember to like and subscribe to Fratello for more watch content. See you next time.